My name is Sudeep, and this is my wife Neonika, and we are today is the 27th of January. We are almost ready to close the deal for our new home. So we just met Gina and Amit, the Arigna team,
Yeah.
through our mutual friends, and they recommended us, and we are happy that they did, because once we got the process going with Gina and Amit, it kind of took us, I want to say, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Three
That was
weeks
it.
or so to get everything done, and it was a smooth sail, good ride. They took care of most of the stuff. We didn't have to do much. So yeah, we definitely recommend the experience, and Gina and Amit were great, looking at different houses and taking our feedback and stuff. So thanks, Gina, and thanks, Amit. And this is, by the way, this is Huntington Circle, Fremont. And this is great home, and this is what we have loved and wanted to be in for a while now. So this is just great for us. That's it. We just recommend Gina and Amit for your needs.
Thank you, Gina and Amit.